This is Massachusetts. Welcome to the jungle. As I was saying, this is my thumb, which is so injured. Can you see it? You see my poor injury? And my hands that are red from my stupid red gloves. Ugh. This is my gorgeous little house. Look at this snow! There are no cars on the road. I don't think that light you see is just the light from the snowflakes and the trees. As I was saying, this is a stupid little snowplow thing we have here. Oh, look at it. It's electric. And it's plugged in. There you go. Thing of beauty. Look at this snow. It's beastly.